The 2025 News 12 Viewers' Choice Awards, highlighting area businesses across the Tennessee Valley and North Georgia. Nominations and voting are provided entirely by WDEF viewers.
Whether you're looking to refresh your wardrobe or maybe replace that old love seat, the Tennessee Valley and North Georgia areas are always in style. And with these fan favorite boutiques, stores, and even motorcycle dealerships, it's never been easier to shop till you drop. Check out the finalists and the winners in our shopping category.
Shopping.
The finalists for Best Antique Store are Crafters Emporium and Antiques, Grit and Grace, Mercantile at the Ridge. The winner for Best Antique Store is Grit and Grace. The finalists for Best Clothing Boutique are Barn Door Boutique, K.A. Boutique by Catherine Roberts, Uptown Cheapskate. The winner for Best Clothing Boutique is Barn Door Boutique. The finalists for Best Floor Covering Store are Beaver Carpets, Chattanooga Flooring Center, H&H Flooring, Tom's Carpet. The winner for Best Floor Covering Store is tied between Chattanooga Flooring Center and Tom's Carpet. The finalists for Best Furniture Store are Huck and Peck, The Furniture Store, Walker's Oak and More Furniture. The winner for Best Furniture Store is Huck and Peck. The finalists for Best Gift Store are Blue Skies, Epicos Comics and Games, Flowers and Things. The winner for Best Gift Store is Flowers and Things. The finalists for Best Hobby Store are Epicos Comics and Games, Myth and Fable Comics and Cosplay, Quantum Sports, The Hatch Outfitters. The winner for Best Hobby Store is Myth and Fable Comics and Cosplay. The finalists for Best Jewelry Store are Goss Company Jewelers, The Finery House, Salma's Jewelry. The winner for Best Jewelry Store is Goss Company Jewelers. The finalists for Best Motorcycle Dealer are Battle Creek Power Sports, HBR Power Sports, Kirk Cycle, Pandora's European Motorsports. The winner for Best Motorcycle Dealer is Pandora's European Motorsports. The finalists for Best Power Sports Dealer are Battle Creek Power Sports, Mountain Motorsports, Pro X Power Sports. The winner for Best Power Sports Dealer is Mountain Motorsports. The finalists for Best Tire Store are Best One Tire of Chattanooga, Discount Tire, Quality Tire Pros. The winner for Best Tire Store is Discount Tire.